In order to add indicators to our MT4 platform on a Mac, we want to go ahead and go to our bottom left-hand corner and click on Finder. After we've clicked on Finder, we want to go to Applications. In Applications, we're going to look for our broker. In this case, mine is Admiral Markets. We're going to right-click and click on Show Package Contents. After we've done that, we want to go ahead and click on Drive C, Program Files, MetaTrader 4 Admiral Markets, or in your case, whichever broker you have chosen, MQL4, and we're going to click Indicators. Today I'm going to be adding a session open indicator. You can locate it on your desktop and just simply drag it into this folder. We're going to go ahead and back out of it. So after we've exited indicators, we want to go ahead and close our MT4 platforms if we have them open. You can do this by right-clicking on your broker and clicking Quit. After we've closed and reopened our MetaTrader 4, we're going to go to Insert in the Tab section, scroll down to Indicators, and in Indicators, we want to scroll all the way down to Custom. And when I scroll down, I can see that my indicator is loaded in the list of custom indicators, and I want to just go ahead and click on that and press OK. If we go down to smaller time frame, we can see that my indicator has loaded. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe.